Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, The Big Debate, we will be covering the section of grammar in which we will learn about prepositions of comparison. So, open up page number 33 and let's get started. First of all, let us see what are prepositions of comparison. They are used to compare things, items in numbers and amounts. Than is a word that can be used as a preposition of comparison. It is used to introduce the second part of a comparison. For example, Duha was younger than her sister. Here, younger is already comparing Duha with her sister, but then is the second part of a comparison. So it is a preposition of comparison. Similarly, pause the video right now over here and read out the rest of the examples carefully for the better understanding of prepositions of comparison. Once you are done reading, let's come to an activity. Write a few sentences using then as a preposition of comparison on a loose sheet. I have made one sentence for you, which is he thinks you are better than us. Similarly, make at least 5 sentences.